Hey, this is Lindsey with KitWorks, and we're about to have dinner. I'm really excited to make one of my favorite camp meals, which is vermicelli rice noodles with the protein of your choice. Tonight we're doing chicken.
Woo!
And then a variety of herbs. I made some peanut sauce. It's got garlic and ginger and jalapeno and green onions and cilantro.
That sounds delicious.
And peanut butter, of course, soy sauce. And then we are topping it with a shred of Napa cabbage and carrots. It tastes really good all mixed together.
We are stoked. That's just weird. Yeah.
Well, it's about time to eat. So what I really like about this meal is that you can build your bowl the way that you want to. So I'm gonna build the bowl I want. So we're gonna start with some rice noodles, and then we're gonna go with some, I like the peanut sauce on the noodles. And that's gonna be pretty good. Then we're gonna go some chicken. I think next we'll go with this, which is our cabbage carrot combo, and that's got some lime juice with brown sugar dissolved in it. And so
Tasty.
should be pretty good.
Look at that bowl.
Then we'll go some cucumbers, 'cause I love cucumbers. Oh, this is jalapeno.
A little spice.
Yes.
And you got all these little herbs.
Has an onion. Some, it's like mint. Nope, that's oh yeah, that was mint. This is basil. And that's cilantro. And then on the top, I feel like we're gonna really want some sriracha because I like it hot.
There we
And
go.
there we go. How about that? It's dinner time.
Dinner time. Woo! Thank you, Lindsey.